Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can watch NFL games on your Hulu TV. So on Hulu, you can simply go to the top right corner and go to the search icon, and you can type in NFL. So in NFL, as you can see that this is the NFL Network and this is NFL Live. So if you want to watch the live NFL, you can simply click on NFL Network, or you can click on NFL Football. So in the NFL football, as you can see, there is the live channel that is playing NFL games right now. You can go here to watch it live, or you can see all of the upcoming games right here when they are going to play. And you can also watch all of the highlights of NFL, all of the films related to NFL, all of the TV series and shows related to NFL. So all of the content related to the NFL, you are going to find them right here. So if you want to watch the live, you can simply play the live. So I hope this solved your problem and this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.